Hello everyone and welcome to Low Country Volkswagen, located here in beautiful Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of the accessories available on the 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. We have a beautiful SE Atlas right here in the showroom, and we have 3 great accessory choices to pick from on this vehicle here today. Let's go ahead and take a look with no further ado. So one accessory that everybody seems to want on their Volkswagen Atlas or Tiguan is the running boards down on the bottom. Take a look at them. They're nice and flush with the bottom of the vehicle, and they come in handy when getting in and out of the vehicle. You know, the Volkswagen Atlas is one of our biggest SUVs ever made by Volkswagen on the road here in America today. And let me tell you, when you buy an Atlas, you definitely want to add on the running boards. Let's have a closer look. So with the running boards on the Volkswagen Atlas, you'll also notice right here, they have 3 strips of grip right here, which is really helpful. I mean, when you're gonna go step on this running rail right here, those nice little grippy strips are gonna help your foot not slip off the rail when getting in and out of the vehicle. You know, that's one thing to pay attention to when you buy running boards for your vehicle. A lot of times we'll see running boards that don't have anything there to grip your bottom of your shoe with. Volkswagen is always one step ahead of the game. So here's another thing to pay attention to when you're buying your Volkswagen Atlas. You know, a lot of Volkswagen drivers are people that love just getting out into the outdoors and enjoying life and doing things, right? I mean, most of us do, don't we? Yeah, so here's one thing that you would love to get on your Volkswagen Atlas is these great looking roof racks up top. Now the Atlas already comes with roof rails right here on this SE trim level, but we've added on the carrier. That's right. So you can lug some stuff in there and make sure you can get everything you need to get out on the road and have a fun time here in the Carolinas this summer. Now this has nothing to do with accessories at all, but I want to make sure you remember this because it's the people's warranty according to Volkswagen, and it's the largest bumper-to-bumper warranty in the manufacturer world here in America. A 6-year, 72,000 mile bumper to bumper. That's great. Volkswagen is going to make sure you're covered. Now I know when you have a Volkswagen Atlas, you are loading in all kinds of stuff in the back of here. I mean, your groceries, your cargo, your football, soccer equipment, everything gets right in the back of here, right? And sometimes the kids love jumping in too. But let me tell you one great thing we've added onto this vehicle right here. It's a bumper protection strip right here on this painted bumper. Let me tell you right now, folks, this is going to come in real handy because it's going to protect your blue bumper on this particular Atlas from getting all scratched up. Also, it's got a nice chrome finish on it, so it looks really classy on the Volkswagen Atlas. All right, so some of those accessories we just mentioned on today's video are extras that you would purchase at our parts department. But I wanted to show you a few really cool features on the Atlas that come with it pretty much standard. Watch this. All right, check this out. This is one feature I absolutely love. And if you have a baby in a child seat or even just anybody sitting in the back, this comes in handy. Check this out right here. Take a look at this. This little window visor here. Volkswagen's already going to have all the rear windows tinted, but to add a little more shade for that sun not coming in and hitting you right in the eyes, that's going to be really helpful. Now Volkswagen takes it a step further with some standard extras on their vehicle. This Roadside Assistance Kit, you're going to absolutely love it. I mean, you really are. When you open this up and start looking at all the goodies that Volkswagen gives you, you're really going to feel safer driving on the road in your Volkswagen Atlas. Let's take a look inside and see what all it comes with. All right, let's open it up and see what we get inside of our Volkswagen Roadside Assistance Kit, right? Now again, I can't go over every single little thing it comes with today, but I mean, some things you'll see like gloves, a rain poncho, hand squeeze flashlight, no batteries needed at all, just squeeze it to charge it up. That's a pretty cool flashlight. Also got this right here, hooks onto your belt, and you have a little wrench here, a knife, all kinds of stuff, pliers, all that right here. I mean, come on. You never know when you'll need some of this stuff when driving on the road, because if an emergency happens or maybe you're in a storm or who knows, this kit right here could save somebody's life. If your car just happens to break down or you need a battery boost, there is your charging cables. Your charging cables. Jump start it, right? Also, another great thing it comes with is a warning triangle assembly. I mean, it's reflective. Open it up. Check that out. That's really cool. You can just stick it right there on the side of the road and let people know, hey, I'm in need of some assistance. Volkswagen also doesn't leave out the little itty bitty things. I mean, zip ties, you never know when you'll need 3 of those. And in this bag here, you're going to get some first aid equipment. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Here's the list. Even has a whistle. How about that? Band-aids, ointments, even a little Tylenol and ibuprofen. Last but not least today, you're also getting all-season rubber floor mats. I mean, depending on the weather outside or whatever you're doing, you got mud on your shoes, your feet are wet, you're at the beach, these all-season floor mats are definitely going to keep the vehicle a little more clean. Pull them out, wash them off with a garden hose, boom, you're good to go. Okay, let's think about this for a minute. You got a bunch of groceries in your hand. Maybe you got some wine bottles and you don't want them to all move around in the back of the Volkswagen Atlas. This is pretty sweet, kind of like Legos for the back of the Atlas. You can stick them on the ground, kind of like a Velcro system going on, and keep everything in sections and not moving all around. I mean, I can't tell you how many times I've had stuff in the back of my vehicle before moving all around, and it's like, what in the world is going on in the trunk, right? Volkswagen is going to help you where that doesn't happen anymore. Alright everybody, that's concluding our accessories video here at Low Country Volkswagen. If you have any questions about any other accessories to add on to any Volkswagen, let us know in the comments section. Hey, come on down and see us. We're at 1001 Johnny Dodds Boulevard right here in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, just over those beautiful Arthur Avenel bridges. We'll see you soon and visit us online at lowcountryvw.com.